Ciao a tutti, I am Toni Allegra. Valentine's Day come very soon. For this, I wanted to prepare colored pasta.
Mom, do you mean ravioli?
With a heart shape. Let's start.
Flour, semolina, and eggs for the ravioli dough. Turmeric and beetroot as food coloring. Tomatoes, scamorza, and parmigiano for the ravioli filling. These are the main ingredients, but there are more. You can find a full list and amounts in the video description. We start preparing the tomato confit because it will take some time to bake, so we can do other things in parallel. Cut the cherry tomatoes in half. Add salt, sugar, oregano, extra virgin olive oil with marjoram, and ground pepper. Mix with a ladle and then arrange the cherry tomatoes with the cut side facing up on a baking sheet covered with parchment paper. Peel and chop the garlic cloves and sprinkle them on the tomatoes. Bake the tomatoes for 1 hour and a half at 130 Celsius. In the meanwhile, we can proceed to prepare the dough for the ravioli. We will make 2 doughs, one yellow using turmeric as coloring and one red using beetroot. You can either buy pre-cooked beetroot from your favorite store or buy it raw. In such case, we need to steam it or boil it. Blend it to get this nice red color. The yellow dough is made with flour, semolina, and eggs, which you mix with turmeric. While the red dough is made just with semolina and no eggs. Add a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of olive oil. Start incorporating the flour a little at a time until everything is combined.
Cerchiamo di non sprecare mai niente.
Add a bit of water if the dough is too hard. Knead until you get a nice and smooth dough.
Okay. Very beautiful yellow.
Wrap the dough in cling film to keep it moist.
Let them to take rest for 30 minutes.
Let's go back to the oven. The tomato confit is ready. It looks great. Once it's cooled down, we can proceed with the filling that is made of scamorza and tomato confit, which you will need to finely chop. Leave some tomatoes for the dish decoration.
Subscribe or I come in your house. The last ingredient, parmigiano. Tanto sono italiana. Uso il dito per girare. Non è molto professionale, ma mi serve per amalgamare veramente bene l'impasto e renderlo più compatto possibile. L'impasto deve essere bello compatto, così non avrete nessun problema quando andrete a chiudere i ravioli e a dargli la forma. Un suggerimento è quello di prepararvi già delle piccole palline.
This is the size of the filling in comparison with the ravioli shape. You should be able to make around 30 balls.
Che bontà!
Let's use the pasta maker to roll the dough into thin sheets. Roughly flatten a piece of the yellow dough.
Number 1.
Feed the dough through the largest setting of the rollers. Gently pull it while turning the handle. Repeat this process 2 or 3 times, each time folding the dough to get a rectangular shape. Roll the dough through each setting until the thinnest.
3, 4.
Dusting a bit of semolina on the sheet in between the rolling steps prevents it from sticking on the rollers.
5.
Sorry for the noise. This is a 20-year-old pasta maker needing some maintenance. We have a red cookie cutter that we use to cut out pieces of dough to decorate the dish.
So nice!
Finally, roll the dough through the thinnest setting.
Ok, yes! Per fare i ravioli perfetti bisogna avere una pasta molto sottile. Non so se si vede la mia mano attraverso la telecamera. Che belli!
Cut the sheet into rectangles, and with a rolling pin, you can stick the red hearts on them. Lightly moisten the dough with your hands. Gently press on the dough around the filling to eliminate any excess air. Using a big heart-shaped cutter to remove the excess dough. And finally, use a fork to firmly seal the raviolo edges.
I am in love!
Yeah, Mom, you might be in love, but see how many times you got your heart broken for this dish? It's time to smell something good. Round chopped spring onion with olive oil. Add peppercorns or ground pepper, pistachios, and the leftover tomato confit. Stir at high fire. Water is boiling hot. Add salt and toss the little hearts and the ravioli one by one. Drain them when they start floating and put them directly into the saucepan on high heat. Add some of the pasta water if the ravioli seem dry. And finally, toss before serving.
Oggi ci devo riuscire.
No way, Mom. Tossing is not your thing.
Oh, vabbè, lasciamo perdere.
Subscribe and smash the bell button to receive all our updates. See you in the next episodes of Tony's Home, where every day is a sunny day.
Mangiamo un momento. Buonissimo. Happy Valentine's Day!